Hey, I'm Josh from GH Coffee Solutions, and we're here in the GHGBS Coffee Lab. Today, I can't wait to show you the etzMAX from Etzinger. It's a grind-by-weight grinder that can grind for filter coffee. This grinder was invented by Christian Etzinger, based in Switzerland. He is actually an aeronautical engineer and has manufactured Burrs for Baratza and other coffee grinder companies. He's got a great reputation. He's a great engineering mind. And there's a lot of really clever little bells and whistles on the etzMAX that I want to show you. Let's start with the hopper. We're talking about a 2.2 pound hopper capacity for the standard hopper, but there's also two other options. There's a ½ pound hopper you can get, and there's also a single dosing hopper that you can get. I really love the way that you open and close the hopper, and also the way that you can easily remove the hopper and put it back into place. Right now, the hopper chute is closed, and all I have to do to take this hopper off is unlatch the two sides and lift right off. There's a nice tactile analog feel to this motion, and you really feel like the hopper is locked into place. It's also very obvious and clear when you have the hopper chute open, because the word open is right here on the lever. So let's move on to the front face and the display. If I want to program a specific weight of coffee for a dose, then I'm gonna simply press the plus button or the minus button to reach the number that I want. So let's say 42 grams of coffee. And then all I have to do to save that weight is press and hold one of these three buttons. So let's do number 2. Now that weight is saved on the number 2 button. It's really as simple as that, and I really appreciate that about this grinder. So we've got 32 millimeter burrs here. They're conical, as we've mentioned. You're gonna get about 4 grams of coffee per second out of this grinder. So the burr life here is gonna be about 4,400 pounds, and then it's gonna be time to change those burrs. Let's talk a little bit about how you adjust your grind. You've got a macro adjustment, which is the top ring that you see here. This is a stepped mechanism, and you can go all the way from 1 to 16. Then the ring just below that is actually your micro adjustment, and that's stepless. And you can really fine tune your grind size to highlight the taste of your coffee. The load cell in this grind by weight grinder is made by the very reputable company Acaia. And it even comes with an Acaia calibration weight that comes in this sort of beautiful housing here. Now let's grind some coffee. So today we've got a beautiful coffee from Elixr. This is called Las Brumas. It's from El Salvador. And I'll find the right grind size. And I have the correct dose on button number 1. And now I will just press our grind button. Looks great. Today we're going to be brewing on the Tone Touch 03. So you can see how well the etzMAX and the Touch 03 pair together. Once you've programmed your dose here and you've programmed your recipe here, it's a matter of pressing 1, 2 buttons, and you've got a very well dialed in coffee. Let's taste this coffee. Really nice and sweet. Getting some apricot and honey notes. That's beautiful. All right, well, thanks for joining us in the lab today. It's been really fun telling you about the etzMAX from Etzinger. Such a simple to use and awesome grinder, and it's grind by weight. You have to love that. Please check out our website, GHGBS.com. Check out our other YouTube videos, and thanks again for joining us.